Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, bringing you a thorough legit check of the 2025 Black Cat Jordan 4 from the XC factory, also known as the Made in China version. If you received this pair from StockX or GOAT, then this video is for you. So first, you want to check for the SML RFID behind the box label. If you have difficulty peeling the label back, you can always use a hairdryer or a heat gun to loosen the glue. So one of the major distinctions about this version is the size tag. The size tag is puffier than normal, and the portion that borders the size tag has a transparency to it that would otherwise be solid white. 9 times out of 10, your production dates will be the same between your left and right shoe. If your dates do not match, then there should only be a difference of several days. Since this is considered the overseas pair, your left insole should have this sticker. The right insole will not have a sticker at all. When you flip your insoles over, they should read QF8XCMS, which stands for men's size, with your corresponding shoe size, followed by a # or hashtag. The overall texture of the insole should be very smooth and have a matte finish. If the finish appears glossy on your pair, then consider that a red flag. The Nike logo on the China pair is also softer than the Vietnam pair. Not only is it softer from a texture standpoint, but it's also softer around the edges in the way that it looks. It definitely has more of a blurred appearance and isn't as high definition as the Vietnam pair, but it still has a relatively high quality look to it. If you take your index finger and thumb and hold the insole in the center, the insole should keep its form. If it's too floppy or folds while you're holding it, consider that a red flag. So the texture of the upper is very dry and feels borderline Durabuck or felt to the touch. What you'll notice is that the fibers in the material do not change when you run your fingers across it. At least it won't be obvious to the naked eye. The fake pairs will oftentimes exaggerate this aspect, so consider it a red flag if you're able to make finger strokes in the material on the XC pair. You should have a woven footbed with threading that extends the entire length of the footbed. The slimness of the tape oftentimes and not is indicative of a real pair. Usually the fake pairs will use sticker cuts of tape to keep the threading in place. Moving on to the box, you should have a red stamp underneath the box lid, a YCM sticker inside of the box. There are no stickers or stamps underneath the box aside from the graphics that you see in all 4 corners, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, and light graphite. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.